Mastering body positions in action. Stretch up to the ceiling. Stand on your tiptoes. Balance on one leg. Get down on all fours. Crawl across the floor. Squat down. Crouch down. Kneel on the ground. Go down on bended knee. Hunch your shoulders. Fold your arms. Slouch. Stand arm in arm. Have your hands on your hips. Hold hands. Sprawl on a chair. Perch on a stool. Recline in a seat. Sit cross-legged. Slump forwards. Curl up in a fetal position. Lie spread-eagled. Lie supine. Lie prone.